Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to design this awesome looking credit card form. So if you want to accept payment from Stripe, PayPal, you can use it for any provider, payment provider, this library specifically for React.js. So you should see this credit card, and we have this nice little form designed inside Bootstrap. So as you just inside click on this input field, you will see it will be highlighted. You need to now enter the card number. So as you enter the card number, you will actually see it will automatically detect that it's a Visa card, and automatically you will write these 16 characters of card number, and it will be automatically printed out. And then you write your name. So these are fake details, so don't copy any of these details. So you put your CVC number, all this stuff, expiry date. So it's a fully UI. You will see that I'm putting right here, you will see now it also flips out as I hover onto the CVC code. So as I three digit CVC code, you will also see it is now. So it is a great library. It will also increase your sales because it is a nice form. It's a very engaging form. So that if the user tries to purchase anything from your website, it will be very helpful for the user. And as soon as they click the submit button, they will be redirected to whatever your business logic is, whatever is your backend. So it's completely front end library. It allows you to design this awesome looking credit card form. And actually the package is, if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, which is React credit card. So this is actually the package. It allows you to design these beautiful looking credit card payment forms, and it's almost got 23,000 weekly downloads. It's a pretty new package, and this is actually the command. You simply install this, and you can use it with any Stripe, PayPal, anything you are accepting with any payment gateway. So you can use it with Stripe, PayPal, anything. So now to get started, we also are using Bootstrap as well. So we are using this package React Bootstrap. So it's a Bootstrap component specifically for React.js. So also install this as well. And apart from that, the base Bootstrap package, we also need that as well. So these three packages are needed. I've already installed all three packages, so I will just make you a simple example. So first of all, you need to import all the packages which are needed using the import statement. So I will just import this package, import cards from React credit cards. It will import this package, and also we need to import the CSS file as well for the styling. So this package contains the CSS file inside this styles.compiled CSS. So it's almost 80 kilobytes of CSS which is there. You need to include both these lines, and after that we will import the Bootstrap for designing the payment form. So container row, you can use it with any UI framework. Bootstrap, it's not necessary that you only use Bootstrap. You can use any UI framework, Tailwind CSS, Semantic UI, any UI framework you can use. It is just used for designing the actual form. So we also include the CSS file of Bootstrap as well. So in this way, you can import all these things. Now we come to the actual form. So in the form, we will have some form data. So I will just declare this simple state variable. I will use useState for this, which is a hook inside React.js. So it will be an object which will contain all these information, which is CVC, expiry, focus, name, and the credit card number. So in the backend, you will store all these details when the user submit it. So I will just show you the front end thing right here in this video. So now we come to the JSX. So inside we can put parentheses here so that so now in the JSX we wrap everything inside your container bootstrap component. We give it a class of margin top 5 and we have a row. We'll use this justify content center to make everything in the center position and then call. These are all classes requirement for aligning the content to small, medium. And then we have the div. We give it an ID to this form, payment form. And I will just give it a bootstrap class of MB4. This ID, you can also eliminate this. This is not mandatory. So just eliminate this. So inside the div, we actually use this component now, which is the cards, which we imported. So this is actually the credit card form, which I'm talking about. So if you can directly import this, we are embedding this component and it takes some options. First is the CVC number, and it will be equal to the form data variable and it have CVC. So we are just attaching these variables, form data dot expiry, and when we focus the actual credit card, we will form data focus name of the person, which is contained form data dot name, and then the credit card number. So form data dot number. So if you refresh now, you will actually see the form will be rendered out. So this is actually the package. So as soon as you write something in the form, this credit card will be activated and it will detect whichever card your number is. It can be MasterCard, Visa, or American Express. So it will automatically detect. So this is the specialty of this package. It will automatically detect your credit card, and depending upon that, it will show the user their actual type of the card. So after you embed this, now we need a simple form, payment form, which we can design using Bootstrap. So we will use these Bootstrap components. So I will just give it a class name of Bootstrap. So here you can use any UI framework. It's not mandatory that you use Bootstrap, but I think Bootstrap works the best. I personally tested Bootstrap to be the best. It's very simple in the syntax. So here you provide your type, which is a telephone number. So here the user will write the card number, and the value will be simply form data dot number, and we'll also bind an on change. So when the value is changed, we will execute this handle input change function, and on focus, once again a callback. So when you focus in this input field, then also we need to define these two functions. So right here, first for the focus, which is handle input focus, e parameter will automatically be passed, and then for the change in the value, again e parameter will be passed. So for the focus, what we need to do, we need to set the form data. So whatever is your previous data, we need to update that like this. We'll use the dot 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 symbol to copy everything which the user has written in the array. And same thing, we need to do this for the handle input change as well. So whatever is the value written, we are simply updating the array. So what happens now, if you see this card number, if you write it, you will see automatically it will detect it's a Visa type number, and it will map every character that you write in this input field in the card. So the user clearly sees their card number appearing, and same we will be having fields for other controls as well, such as the name. So I will just copy this now just to save some time. So after this, we have all these controls. So now we put your name, whatever name that you want to put. Then you put your expiry date, then the CVC. So as soon as you click the CVC, the card will be flipped and you will see this nice little animation. So you put your CVC and it will appear right here. So this increases the user engagement because of this nice little interface that it has. So it's a quite a nice payment form. And lastly, we have a button to submit the form. So after this, we have the button right here if you see. So here, when the user clicks the submit button, you can have your backend as well. You can connect your backend using this app here. So all the source code I will give in the description. So if you have any doubt, you can copy paste everything. So you can connect your backend. So once the user clicks the submit button, so you can connect, all this information will be coming. So once they submit the form, so you can capture this information and make the payment in the backend. So this was a tutorial, guys, how to design this beautiful looking credit card, and if allow the user to pay through either through Stripe or PayPal. You can connect it with any payment gateway. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.